Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a successful dropshipping shop with eCrater easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start a successful dropshipping shop with eCrater, begin by visiting the eCrater website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Verify your email after receiving a confirmation message. Once logged in, navigate to the Manage Store section. Select Store Setup to personalize your shop settings. Choose a unique store name that reflects your brand. Set your store's location and currency. Next, go to Payment Options to set up your preferred payment methods. Consider using PayPal or credit card options for easy transactions. Now, access the Shipping section to configure your shipping settings. Decide on shipping rates and delivery options that work for you and your customers. After setting up your store, it's time to add products. Go to Products and click on Add Product. Fill in detailed product descriptions, including titles, prices, and images. Make sure to optimize your descriptions for search engines using relevant keywords. If you're sourcing products from suppliers, maintain clear communication regarding inventory. Ensure that your product listings comply with eCrater's guidelines. Once your products are added, focus on marketing your shop. Promote your store on social media platforms to attract potential customers. Consider using paid advertising for broader reach. Monitor your shop's performance regularly using eCrater's analytics tools. Stay on top of customer inquiries and provide excellent support. Make adjustments to your product offerings based on sales and feedback. Continuously evaluate your marketing strategies for effectiveness. Over time, build a loyal customer base by engaging with your audience. Stay informed about dropshipping trends to remain competitive. By following these steps, you can successfully establish a dropshipping shop with eCrater. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.